Welcome. If you wanna send data from OPPO A73 to Android device, for the first we have to open the application that we are going to use, and I download from the Google Play Store application named CLONEit. It's totally free application and really easy. So let's open on both smartphones. Okay, go back here. Click allow. And right now click sender on your OPPO. Okay, allow, click sender again, and receiver on your Huawei, on your Android device. And as you can see, we had to set up the hotspot manually. Let's go back to our program, and right now click here on this icon, because this is our OPPO. Now we accept the request, and on your Android device you have to choose whatever you want. So I will probably take from this smartphone the application, the Opera Mini. So click on the start, click on OK, just wait a little bit, click finished, finish here also. And if you wanna just open this application that you transfer, click here on the Receive Apps, click on Install. Yes, we want to install this application. And right now we can just open your Opera from the OPPO A73 to your Android device, and in my case is our Huawei P30 Pro. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.